import hand-drawn sketches to auto design. The goal of this lesson is to teach learners how to upload hand-drawn sketches into Uizard and then convert them automatically into editable digital UI screens using AI. Hey guys, welcome back and congratulations. In the last lesson, you learned how to turn text into UI. In this lesson, we are taking it a step further. We are turning hand-drawn sketches, or should I say hand-drawn wireframes, into actual digital screens using Uizard powerful AI. Hey guys, welcome back and congratulations. Now, this is a perfect way to go from paper sketching to working design fast. First things first, you are going to grab a pen and then a paper or even a tablet, and then you sketch out your screen idea. All right, keep it simple guys. Box for images, lines for text, and common symbols for buttons or icons. Optional visual: show a simple sketch, header, image box, buttons, etc. Just like I'm doing right now. Okay, I'm sketching out the layout. Okay, yeah. So guys, don't worry about being perfect. The AI will do the heavy lifting. All right, and that's beautiful guys. So guys, once your sketch is ready, take a clear snap of it. Make sure that the lines are visible and that the page is well lit. Avoid shadows or blurs. Uploading the sketch into Uizard. Now, from your Uizard dashboard, click on New Blank Project as usual. All right, then choose Mobile. Now, right here on my screen, let's close this down. You can see Scan Wireframe Sketch, or should I say Scan Screenshots. Okay, now let's go ahead to Scan Wireframe Sketch. Now it says, what type of device should I design for you? And I'll say mobile. Now it says, all right, go ahead and upload your screenshots below, or if it is easier, use your phone to scan the QR code and then import an image, and I will transform it into a creative design. All right guys, now this is the AI trying to interact with you as a user. All right, now here is our file. Okay, now in this lesson I decided to store the image file, okay, which is our sketch, here on the desktop. All right, Now I saved it right here on the desktop in a file or in a folder called sketch. All right, you can see where my mouse is on. Now let's click on this to open. Now you can see our image file right here. Okay, now let's click on this wireframe and then click open. You can see, guys, it says uploading image. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, you can see right here, Uizard will analyze it and automatically generate a screen based on our layout. Okay, now it says you previously selected to generate a screen from mobile, right? Yes, but it looks like a desktop, so please confirm again the type of device you want to generate a screen for, so I can process a precise generation. But what the AI is saying right now is this, okay, that I previously selected to generate from mobile. If you remember, guys, I selected mobile, all right, instead of desktop. Now let's go ahead to select desktop and see. All right, and that's beautiful, guys. Now it says all noted, please wait as I generate your inputs into screens. So guys, this is what it says. It says here is your new screen. Place it on your canvas or provide instructions for any refinement. All right, now you can modify it. You can go for done for now, that is, you are done with what you're doing. All right, you can also modify it. All right, that means you can provide instructions for any refinement. All right, but let's go ahead to place it on our canvas, all right, so that we can proceed. Now let's go ahead and click on place on canvas. Let's close this down. Wow, guys, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. You can see what we have here right now. Yeah, let's use our hand tool property to move this around. So guys, you can see this is our new screen. Wow, remember, guys, remember what we sketched, right? The sketch is now a real digital UI. This is beautiful, guys. Now just imagine being so precise about our sketch. Guys, this is so beautiful. I love it. This is beautiful, guys. Now let's take this out so that we can have this screen here alone. All right, now let's go ahead to edit this generated UI. All right, so guys, once the sketch is converted, you will land on a screen with editable elements. These are the editable elements. All right, you can see them right here. Remember, we used boxes for images. All right, we used lines for text, yeah, and common symbols for icons and buttons. You can see common symbols for icons and button, lines for text. Yeah. Now let's click on this hand tool property and then let's take this up. You can also see the buttons we used. Okay, remember we had a save and a cancel button. Yeah, this is beautiful, guys. I love this. Now, so guys, right here you can see that every component can be moved, styled or swapped, just like any other Uizard design. All right, you can see the text, it's editable. You can call it something else. All right, you can see the images, they are all editable. You can style them. All right, this is beautiful, guys. I love it. Now, for example, let's click on this app header text to change. All right, let's say beginner course. Right, you can see it is changed, guys. Now let's also swap an image block. So guys, you can see it is all editable. You can adjust the spacing and all that and all that. All right, and that's beautiful, guys. I love this. This is beautiful. Now you can then apply your theme, add interactions, or duplicate the layout to build more screens. All right, this is magnificent. I love this. So guys, here are the best practices. Okay, so guys, here are some best practices. All right, here are a few quick tips for better results when importing sketches. First things first, it is important that you keep your sketches clean. All right, avoid crossing lines or messy drawings. All right, use simple recognizable symbols like squares for an image or X for a close button. All right, additionally, stick to one screen per image for better accuracy. And that's beautiful, guys. Great job, guys. You have now seen how to turn a simple hand-drawn idea into a working UI in seconds. So guys, let's keep building. So guys, with sketch to wireframe, your paper idea becomes a digital prototype in minutes, and this is a huge time saver for brainstorming sessions and workshops. Now we have come to the end of this course. I believe you followed up at your own end, and I also believe you can do better taking advantage of Uizard. So guys, at the end of this course, it is expected for you to carry out some projects which will be made available in the project section. All right, now all you have to do is to follow the instructions and then go ahead to deliver something very nice. All right, thanks for participating, guys. See you in another course.